Hello everyone, and welcome to the Crypto Mining Farm here on YouTube. You see, on this channel is where we get to show you lots of ways to which you can make money off the internet, especially as it relates to cryptocurrency. But if it's your first time right here on this channel, I'd like you to quickly click on the subscribe button underneath this video. When you do that, it is the only way you can get notified when we post interesting stuff like this. And as you know it, early birds say are always winners. I suppose you want to be a winner. Alright, let's get to today's work. If you can see my screen right now, you'll find something very interesting. If you can see that, can you see the interface? Can you all see the balance? 640 United States dollars. You can shake that somewhere around the rewards wallet. There is a flexible wallet, there's a reward wallet. So this is reward wallet. And it is something I have been claiming for the past 5 weeks. That is the last 1 month and 1 week I have been claiming is. So you get $640 is a lot of money for less work, for less effort put into doing this. You understand it? So you might want to ask me, all that amount that is displayed right on the screen, is it withdrawable? It's a big question. The big question. Are the rewarded high withdrawable? Certainly, it is a big yes. They are withdrawable. But before I let you in on how withdrawable it is or how to go about withdrawing it, let me quickly move over to show you how you can claim your daily reward. How do I claim my high dollar reward daily? Right now, there's a lot of ways to which you can do that. You can claim your high dollar reward in several ways, especially with your WhatsApp Messenger, your Telegram Messenger, the web app, the Android app, or the iOS app. But as of right now, for the sake of this tutorial video, because I don't want to waste no time, I'm going to do this with my WhatsApp application. So let me quickly put on my data, and I'm moving over to get this done on how to claim my daily reward of one high. Quickly get through to it. Yeah, this is high dollar. So when I get into high dollar, what I need to do is simply send hi. You see that? And I send. And immediately I get this menu reply. The first right there is send 1 to claim daily reward. So I type 1 and I send. Okay, as I earn your daily reward by answering this question. Neobanks are excited to offer 0.65% per interest. What rate will high offer? You see, when you get to want to answer questions right here, you don't need to be very specific. Whatever answer you go out for is actually correct. There ain't no way they're going to tell you your answer is wrong. So pick whatever option you think you feel comfortable with. So for me, I'm going to go for 2% per annum. So I send 2. Can you all see that? The responses I got is awesome. You have just earned your daily reward of $1 high dollar. Earn an extra 0.5 high dollar every day for each friend you invite with your unique sign up link. So if I scroll down, you can find a link to where I can download the Android app, where I can download the iOS app for iPhone users, and a link, my personal link to which I can get to invite people. So that's how it is done. If you check right now, let me check on my balance. You can type balance quickly. Can you see that? The state of my balance is changed. To find out how true this is, I'm going to scroll backward to see my last balance. This is right now is 460 rewarded high in my wallet, and I have $650 as its equivalent. So I'm going to need to scroll up to find out the state of my last balance. Let's see. Okay, previously I had 459 high dollars, and right now that I've claimed mine, 459. So here right now it's 460, and the US dollar equivalent is $650. So that's just how you can claim your high dollar daily. Now, thanks for watching that. So let's quickly head back to the presentation. Hold on. I'm trying to locate where I saved my slides. Okay, so now the big question is, how do you withdraw this fund? I already showed you how to claim them. But we cannot be talking about how you can withdraw them where you don't know nothing about high dollar. So I'm going to quickly rush you through what high dollar is. Okay, just hold on. What is high dollar? You see, high dollar is a token that is launched on the Ethereum blockchain. You see that? So based on the Ethereum blockchain, it is an ERC20 token. For it to have been launched on an Ethereum blockchain, it is referred to as an ERC20 token. And you see, it has made listings on both centralized and decentralized exchanges. And that actually marked the beginning of the public trading of a token. So what I'm trying to tell you right now is high dollar is already launched. It's not just an upcoming cryptocurrency or an upcoming token. It has already been launched. I mean, like when I started this, was one high dollar then used to be 74 cents, but as of right now, one high dollar is over $1 and 38 cents. I'm going to show that to you as time goes by in this video. But let me continue with my introductory part of what you should know about high dollar. So I already told you it is launched on the Ethereum blockchain on ERC20. And you see, it's really very genuine. I mean, like it was founded by a team of entrepreneurs, executive technologists. I'll quickly go over to showing you what that is. Okay, fine. Right now, you see, I said high dollar. The token name is high dollar. The tracker is high. And the token type is ERC20 with potential future migration, if you can see that on my screen. Or that is to buttress the same fact that high dollar is real and genuine. So these are the different persons who actually put up this work. They are actually big high-tech personalities when it comes to the world of cryptocurrency. So right on the first part from the left, you can find out Stefan Rost. You see all of the pictures are animated. Stefan Rost is the former CEO of Bitcoin.com. You see Sean Raj, former CMO of Crypto.com. You see Pierre Jamos, former derivative trader. And Sam Christian, led agencies and global teams. So you see these persons, like I said, are really very big names in a crypto industry. So that's more reason why you need to consider this thing as real and legit. Something you should get in on quickly so as not to be a loser. You understand what I'm saying? So moving on, you say HI is committed to transparency and has placed the token addresses of all corporate wallets in a white paper. You see that? The transparency of the Ethereum blockchain also means that users will be able to see new mints and the distribution of token. I'm going to show that to you by quickly navigating straight to the official page of HI. But before I do so, there was this part where I made reference to white paper. They said due to that commitment to transparency, it has placed its token addresses on its white paper, as you understand it. So if you might want to ask me, what is a white paper? A white paper is a sort of a document that that proves or shows you a roadmap, that shows you what something is about, what it is currently working on, and what it is to come. You understand what I'm talking about? So the high dollar white paper is what I'm going to show to you right now. Let me quickly navigate to it. Oh, okay. Just hold on. I'm just trying to get through to my white paper for high dollar. So I use the word, not my white paper, but the high dollar white paper. Get through to it. Yeah, I found it. So this is what it looks like. This is the white paper of high dollar. It is still loading. Just give it some time. Yeah, high white paper. So you see, this is what it looks like. This document you see right is about 23 pages, and it contains everything you need to know about high, what is currently going on right now, the current phase of the token, and what is to be expected. You can see that about 23 pages. Like I told you, so was this part where I read that the high dollar contract address has been placed on the white paper. So if anyone comes to offer you anything in the name of high dollar and the contract address presented to you, if it isn't in this white paper, consider it a scam. Do not go in for it. Understand it? As time goes by, okay, if you can check beneath this video, I mean, in the description part of this video, you're going to find the social media handles of the high dollar through which you can reach out to the customer care agent to actually report anything, to ask questions. You can find all of that on the description part of this video. You can find your Facebook page. You can find your Instagram handle. You can find out your Telegram handle. You can find out so many of them. You can find just looking underneath the description of this video. That's the only way you can get to work contact them. And these are ways actually to actually find out if a token is real or fake. Like when you hear about a lot of airdrops, they tell you this, that, just to convince you. At times you get to even want to purchase an airdrop, and when you do so, in the end, there ain't no way to reach out to the customer care or to reach out to them. So these are ways you actually map out airdrops or tokens that are actually scam. But as far as high dollar is concerned, high dollar is very real and legit. So I'm gonna have the time to actually scroll through all of this. So I'm gonna call this quit right now. But if I scroll to the bottom, you can find the social media pages of high dollar. You can find that. It's on Telegram. It's on okay. They have an announcement page, right? They have a Twitter account, on Reddit, on Discord, on Facebook, on Instagram, on LinkedIn, and on YouTube. So you can see high dollar. It's not unfortunately, it's not open to every country of the world. As of right now, it is covered about 15 plus countries, about 15 countries, and a bit more. These countries are German, Spanish, French, Dutch, Italian, Portuguese, Polish, Russian, Turkish. You can find in this, we can find Arabic. When you think about Arabic, this is more like a combination of 3 different countries put together. I do not understand, I do not know those different maps. Or I suppose I can see Jordan. If I can see I can see Saudi Arabia. You know your different country flags, so you get to identify them, and then you know how to reach out to them. So Chinese, Korean, Japanese, Romania, Vietnam, Philippines, Indonesia, and then to Africa. Unfortunately, Nigeria is the only country in Africa that is currently enabled to access the services of high dollar. So with this, I'm quickly closing out on the white paper of the high dollar, so we can quickly go back to our presentation. So going back to our presentations right now, now that you have seen the white paper, I was talking about this thing being launched on both centralized and decentralized exchanges and all of that. So let me quickly navigate right now to the home page of the high dollar. But before I do so, there was this part where I read that it's been launched already on Uniswap. All right, on Uniswap. Uniswap, actually, you should know it. It's the world's largest exchange for cryptocurrency. You can see that. So for me to have to actually prove this, I had to quickly log on to Uniswap. All right, right inside the dApp folder of my Trust wallet. So you see what I found here. This is Ethereum, this is high dollar. I searched it myself so as to be sure if it is truly listed on Uniswap. And yeah, it is. You can see that right here. That is high. Okay, that is it. So now I'm going to quickly go over to the home page of that is the official page of high dollar. This is what it looks like. Good, this is it. Hi. Can I just quickly refresh the page? So high dollar now on Binance Smart Chain, you can see that it's on Binance Smart Chain on PancakeSwap. I already told you it's on Uniswap. So, and I showed you a screenshot, a slide of what it looks like on the Uniswap app, okay, exchange app. You can see that. And right now, what I find in here is that it is on Binance PancakeSwap. To actually confirm that, I'd like you to quickly, if you have the Binance app, you can quickly go on the Binance app and just search for that token if you can find it. Right now, if you look at the bottom, you can find a contract address, BSC token contract address of the high dollar token. It's displayed right there on the home page of the high dollar token. That's it. Can you all see that? All right, so if you can look up a little bit, you can find, say the current price of high dollar is at $1.41. $1.41. You see that? So you can see this token is on the verge of making history. It is growing at a very fast rate, like it is gaining value. To actually confirm if this is real, I'm going to move over straight now to my Trust Wallet app to go see, because I already added it as a token. I already added the token to my Trust Wallet. So let's find out. And what we saw in there in our web page is that high dollar is currently at $1.41. Let's check that out right inside the Trust Wallet app. I think I already added it. This is high dollar. And right now, I think my currency preference is Naira. So I want to change this right now to US dollar so you can get to see the dollar equivalent. I'm doing that. Yep. I'm close. Almost done. We just have to give it some time for the value to come up. This delay right now is actually due to the fact that I had to change currency preference. Can you see this right now? Can you see? If you can look up to the top left corner of the screen, you can find that high dollar right now is $1.42. Can you see that? $1.42. So let's go back to, what is it called? The home page of the high. You can see that $1.42. That's what we found on Trust Wallet, and right here it's almost equivalent to it, $1.41. The reason for this slight difference is that this the website is not automatically updated. It is updated manually. That's why it isn't very certain. But now we found in the Trust Wallet app that the high dollar is currently worth $1.42. But right here on the web page, it is $1.41. It's still the same thing. So you can see that. That's how true and that's how legit. That's all of the things you need to really check out to be sure that this thing is real. It is legit. You understand it? So I'm gonna quickly go back to the presentation to show you how you can be part of this. All right, so this is it. When high dollar started, I think sometime around August 1st 2021, they started when it started there to claim reward. Then if you back then you could claim 100 high dollar in a single day. All right, and as of then the member count used to be 0 to 25,000. That's the way they have programmed it to at. When the user gets from 0 to 25,000, it should be within the range of 100 high dollar per day. That's the amount you can claim on a daily basis. So when it gets to 25,000 to 100,000, users then were able to claim 25 high dollars. You can see that. And when it got to about 100,000 to 250,000 users, you could see the amount of high dollar you could claim in a day with those to 10 high dollars. And when it got up to about 250,000 to 1 million users, the rate fell down to 2.5 high dollar per day. But right now, from 1 million and above, they've done another halving. And this right now, as of today, you can only claim 1 high dollar in a single day. That's not all. For you to actually earn more, you could do more to the help of your friends if you get to invite them. If you could check to when I showed you my balance previously, when I answered that question, after claiming the 1 high dollar, you got this notification that says that you could earn half of whatever your friends get. You understand it? So I'm going to go back to the web app to show you what you need to know. Let's see that. Let me just show you how to go over the registration process before taking you straight to the web app to show you what my balance looks like and how you can. Okay, fine. Just let's not waste time. Let me go over to the web app. If you could give me some time. I told you you could claim your daily high dollar reward through the use of the web app, your WhatsApp Messenger, your Telegram Messenger, and then the Android app. The Android app, you can get it on what is it called? You can get it on your Google Play Store. Let's quickly rush over to the Google Play Store to find out what it looks like. Okay, here is my Google Play Store app. So I'm going to search right now high dollar. Okay, so I'll search high dollar. You can find that. It's still loading. Just give it some time to come up, please. So that is it. This is what the high dollar application looks like on the Google Play Store. You can also get it on your App Store. For those of you that uses the iPhone, the iOS phone, you can get it on your App Store. Right? Or those of you that uses Android, this is the Google Play Store. This is how it looks like, the interface. You can see that. So all you need to do is simply hit the install green button, and when you do so, it's going to be downloaded to your phone. And right inside of the app, you can claim your high dollar reward. Understand it? So now, having shown you what it looks like inside the Google Play Store, let's quickly go back to the web app where I'm going to show you my balance and then how you can actually earn more by inviting your friends to do same. And when your friends do same, when your friend gets to claim their daily reward, you can actually earn more too. Understand it? Like you get 50% of whatever your friend gets to contribute through claiming. Let's check this out. So I'm trying to visit the web app of high dollar right now. So I'm going to quickly sign in. That's my mobile phone number. There are several ways you can sign in, but I'm gonna have to choose sign in using my phone number. So right now it's trying to log in. The system is busy. Please retry. So I type in again. Okay, so now I'm going to input my password. It's unfortunate you're going to see my password, but even if you do, immediately after this presentation, I'm going to have to change it. So let's see. Some of you guys are looking. If you want to see, look at it, H1990. That's my password, but don't you worry. I'm going to change it right after now. So no one is going to actually have access to doing that. So yeah, this is what the web application of the Hi looks like. You can see the same thing right there, 650 US dollars. You can see that this is how the interface looks like. You can check this out: cryptocurrencies, traditional currencies, and other supported currency. If I tap in here, you can see that the amount of Hi dollar reward I have gotten is 460, and dollar equivalent is 650 US dollars. So if I tap this Hi right here, I'm going to get all of these options. So what I need to show you right now is my transaction history. Like I already told you, you can claim only one Hi in a day. But even if you want to earn more, the system is busy. I mean, I may have to log in again. It's going to take some time. Really sorry about that. Okay. I may have to log in again. Okay, so I tap the menu button and this is transaction history. Just give it some time. Yeah, here we go. So if you check in here, you have different dates. Can you all see? Yesterday, and can you all see today? Like I told you, you can only claim one Hi dollar in a day, but me, I am getting more than one Hi. You know why? Because I got my friends in on this, and as my friends are claiming their one Hi dollar daily, I'm getting some percentage of it. You understand it? So if you check from the bottom, you can find 15 Hi dollar already claimed, 0.12 Hi dollar already claimed, $0.12 already claimed, and this last one Hi, that is the one I claimed for myself. You understand? So if you get to add all of this up, you're gonna have about 16 point something Hi dollar. That's what I've got in today. So if I'm getting 16 Hi dollar in a day, you too can get same by bringing your friends to come in with you. Understand? So I'm quickly leaving this place right now, and I'm going back to the presentation. Having shown you how you could claim your Hi dollar, how you need to invite your friends, and how legit the token is. Let's find out right now. How do you get to register a Hi dollar account? It's very simple. Just look at the screen, be focused, understand it. So the first step is save the WhatsApp Messenger bot number below to your contact as a Hi dollar. You see, when I said a WhatsApp Messenger bot, I called it a bot because it is a programmed robot that just gets to answer you when you send any. When you give a gesture, it responds accordingly. You understand it? That's how it is being programmed. Actually, there are a lot of ways through which you can register on Hi dollar. If you follow the link, it's going to lead you to the web app. From the web app, you get to tap on the Telegram icon. It takes you directly to your Telegram where you could begin doing your work. Or if you tap on the WhatsApp logo, it takes you there too. But I had to look for a simplified way to get this done. So the way I see that it be a lot easier for you is for you to quickly save the number you can find underneath the screen: +8526361437. I believe it belongs to the country Hong Kong. That's it. So when you get to save this number to your contact, your contacts and right inside of your phone, the next step will be to search for the saved contact on your WhatsApp and simply send Hi to it. Recall, I told you save the number as Hi dollar, save it with the name Hi dollar, and go straight to your WhatsApp, search for it, and simply send Hi. And when you do so, what you're going to find is choose your preferred language by replying with the corresponding number. For example, you may be asked to choose English, and to choose English, send 1. So when you send 1, the next screen you're going to get is enter the name of the person who invited you. And when you do so, listen, if you're asked to enter the name of the person who invited you, do look down and you'll see that you can enter my name in it, Ludanira, Ludanira. That's my own username. You understand? If you're going to need to enter this name, it's very important. if you must proceed, because someone must invite you for you to actually gain access to doing that. So as long as you're done entering Ludanira, after sending in, the next thing you're going to get is, what name would you like to be called? And that would mean you're entering your own name. And please take note, common names may have been used and may not be available. What I'm trying to say is, at the moment, $1 is already crossed 2 million users worldwide. So if you're using an English name or Chinese name, a Spanish name, an Arabic name, don't forget I said 2 million users. So it's possible that someone is already using that name. So to make your name unique, you need to, I'm suggesting, or I'm recommending you use an alphanumeric name. When I mean alphanumeric, it means a combination of both words and numbers. Understand? Let's take, for example, if you can use gift 2021, gift 2021. You could do the same, try that for your name, and you'd be good to go. So now, when you're done doing that, the next step would be to claim $1 reward by answering questions. And what you need to do, the first question you'll be asked is, how did you hear about Hi? You will see a lot of options for you to pick out from. But then remember what I told you. Whatever option you choose to go out for, it's all correct. So you could choose friend recommendation, you could choose television, just whatever option you find in there, and you'd be good to go. So that is what it looks like. So now I already prepared another slide for you to see what I'm talking about. Therefore, now if you check in on your WhatsApp after you have saved the number, the first thing I did was to send hey. That was actually a mistake. It was supposed to have been hi. So when you're saying hi, you find next options. Pick your preferred language. Reply with a number to continue. You can find English. You can find China, that's Chinese. You can find Francis. You can find Dutch. You can find Italiano, Polski, Portuguese, and that's all of that language that $1 currently supports. So you tap 1 for English and send. And when you do so, the next screen is going to be, we are currently under private beta, so please enter the nickname of the person that invited you. So when you get this is where you should enter my own nickname, which is Ludanira. You can go back to the rewind the video to see Ludanira. And when you're done entering that, the next thing you're going to find is, what name would you like us to call you? That's when you need to enter your own nickname. Don't forget, do not enter my name here again. This time around, you have to enter in your own name. And when you do so, the next thing you're going to get is, nice to meet you. You understand this? And then you'll be told that your account has been created. You'd find your number, like for example, when I opened my account with them, I was user number 1,513,909. And then the next thing I was told is, they said they love giving rewards. So earn some $1 every day by answering our daily question. The question I got right there was, how did you come to know about Hi? For recommendation, article, video, and others. So what I say, I quickly sent 1, which is friend recommendation, and that was just how I got $1. Awesome. You have just earned $1. And an extra $0.5 every day for each friend that you invite. So that's just how to go about it. This is how you can get to register. And when you don't know it, do not forget, you need to quickly go to the web app. That is www.web.hi.com and sign up. That's where, when you're signing up, ensure the phone number you registered with right inside of WhatsApp, that's the phone number you're going to enter into the web app. And when you click on it, a link, some verification code will be sent directly to your WhatsApp. When it gets to your WhatsApp, what you need to do is quickly go back and type it in there on the web app. When you do so, you put in your preferred password, and that's all you need to do. And afterwards, you can think about how you can get to verify. Like do KYC, because it is very necessary for you to be able to claim your $1 reward. So back to the big question, which is the question you asked me previously. The $1 rewards, are they withdrawable? Yes, it is withdrawable. You can check this out. This is an article. I was trying to read through an article on the internet and I found this. It said $1 rewards have a 1-year release period. Quickly, before I talk about this, you need to understand, like I told you, $1 is an already launched cryptocurrency, okay? At the moment, its value is currently at $1.40. You understand what I'm talking about? So you could buy it, that is, you could purchase it, or you could claim it for free, all right? Through the use of your WhatsApp, your Telegram. It's very easy. You understand? It doesn't require the use of some heavy rig, some heavy big machine like the type you use in mining, Bitcoin, and the rest of them. This is as simple as just texting your friends and family, your loved ones on WhatsApp, on Telegram. That's just how it goes. You understand it? So like I said, $1 rewards have a 1-year release period. That is to say, after 1 year, for free rewards, daily, at least the reward you got on a daily basis, which is 1 plus the 1 you give from your friends, all of which will start to release proportionally on a daily basis into your flexible account in the same way that you receive them. For example, okay, listen, for example, say if you earn $10 today, you will receive them in your flexible account after a year, provided that you have completed KYC. You see, that flexible account is that account, that's that wallet to which you can you withdraw, understand it? So if, for instance, if you are purchasing $100, instead of going into the reward folder, it will move directly to the flexible folder where you can withdraw it, you can exchange it. Understand what I'm talking about? But right inside of the reward folder, you cannot do anything about it because it has to be locked for a whole 365 days. You already read what it means. It said it's going to be released to you proportionally in order of how you receive them. Like today, I already showed you. I think I calculated that I received about $16 $16 today. So on this day, the third day of the year 2021, December 2021, on this particular day next year, I'm going to receive $17. It's going to leave my rewards wallet, and it will move directly to the flexible wallet where I can withdraw it. But one good thing about it also is that you feel that's a lot of time, 365 days, that's a lot of time. But one good thing about the blockchain technology is that one $1 being $1.40 today, it is not going to be the same by this time next year. Who knows? It could be up to $50. It could be up to $100. So whatever it is, do not get discouraged. So what we're trying to do right now is we're trying to save for the future. You can save for your future by beginning to get in on it. So this is what, like I said, this is what I've gotten on the internet, all right? Right through one of the web article I was reading. But this right now, to further buttress the same fact, is I think it's a Twitter post from hi.com official Twitter page posted this, and it said rewards are received after 365 days in order that you earn them, provided that you have completed identity verification. That is, if you have passed KYC. And the KYC, you say you can do that through the use of the mobile app. So this is why you need to download the mobile app. But as of right now, to actually make things really very easy for you, I advise you save that number, the official number of $1, and begin the process, all right? By registering. When you're done, answer your question. Just keep on claiming, keep on claiming this daily. Invite your friends to get in on it too. And then when you're done, later on, you can go on our web app or the mobile app, download the mobile app, and get to do your KYC. The KYC, for you to do that, you're going to need KYC actually means know your customer, know your client. Like I told you, it's some sort of identity verification, so to be sure that the person actually handling this account is not a robot but a human being. So all you're going to need to get through that is your means of identification, like a government approved national ID, could be a driver's license, it could be an international passport. All of that, if you have any of this, you can actually KYC and then pass successfully. And once you're able to pass this, the time you begin, when it comes and they come in here, you can actually get to withdraw your $1 for free. That's just how it is. Quick, I'm almost coming to a close. Don't forget, I told you, if you've not yet subscribed to this channel, look at the red button at the bottom. Quickly tap on it to subscribe so you can get more of this kind of contents when it come up next time. You can see that this is the roadmap. I got this as an excerpt from the white paper. I told you the roadmap shows you what you need to expect as far as the project is concerned. Right now, you can find that except in phase 1, high on chat, you can find that. And in phase 2, high on web and mobile, and then earning up to 40%. The mobile app, which is the Android app, was recently launched. That was like 2 weeks ago. So you can start to see that at the moment, $1 is at phase 2. There are a lot that are coming up. This is phase 3, Visa debit card, money market services. In phase 4, you find non-custodial wallet and high protocol launch. And lastly, in phase 5 and beyond, the high ecosystem will be set up. And then so much more to expect from $1. So that's it.